Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about scheduled discard task maintenance. Let's jump right into it. Scheduled discard task is maintenance. A scheduled discard task is a preventative maintenance activity where a specific component or part is replaced at predetermined intervals, regardless of its current condition. This is often done to prevent equipment failure and ensure optimal performance. Why is it important? Predictability. By replacing components at fixed intervals, you can better predict maintenance costs and schedule downtime. Safety. Some components degrade over time, and replacing them before they fail can prevent accidents. Performance. Worn-out components can reduce equipment efficiency and product quality. Longevity. Regular replacement of critical components can extend the overall life of the equipment. How to implement scheduled discard tasks. Identify critical components. Determine which components are essential to equipment operation and have a predictable lifespan. Determine replacement intervals. Based on component data and historical performance, establish a replacement schedule. Create maintenance plans. Develop detailed maintenance plans outlining the steps for replacing the component. Maintain inventory. Ensure necessary replacement parts are readily available. Monitor and adjust. Continuously evaluate the effectiveness of the scheduled discard tasks and make adjustments as needed. Benefits of a CMMS for scheduled discard tasks. Enhanced scheduling and planning. Automated scheduling. CMMS allows for the automation of discard task scheduling, ensuring tasks are carried out at optimal times without manual intervention. Preventative maintenance. By scheduling discard tasks regularly, the CMMS helps in preventing the buildup of obsolete or excess materials, reducing clutter and maintaining a clean work environment. Improved efficiency and productivity. Resource allocation. CMMS enables better allocation of resources, labor, tools, and equipment for discard tasks, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Task management. It provides detailed task lists and instructions, making it easier for maintenance teams to execute discard tasks efficiently. Data and reporting. Tracking and documentation. CMMS records all discard activities, providing a comprehensive history for audit purposes and future planning. Analytics and reporting. The system can generate reports on discard tasks, helping management analyze trends, identify inefficiencies, and make informed decisions. Compliance and safety. Regulatory compliance. CMMS ensures that discard tasks are carried out in compliance with relevant regulations and standards, avoiding potential fines and legal issues. Safety management. Properly scheduled and executed discard tasks reduce the risk of accidents and safety hazards in the workplace. Cost savings. Reduced waste. Efficient discard management minimizes unnecessary waste and optimizes the use of storage space. Maintenance cost reduction. By preventing the accumulation of obsolete items, CMMS helps in reducing maintenance costs associated with handling and storing these items. Inventory management. Inventory accuracy. Regular discard tasks keep inventory levels accurate, preventing overstocking or understocking issues. Stock optimization. CMMS helps in identifying and discarding non-moving or slow-moving inventory, optimizing stock levels. Integration with other systems. ERP integration. CMMS can integrate with Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP systems, ensuring seamless flow of information across different departments. IoT and sensors. Integration with IoT devices and sensors can provide real-time data, triggering discard tasks based on actual usage and conditions. Conclusion. Scheduled discard tasks are a cornerstone of a robust preventive maintenance program. By implementing this strategy, businesses can enhance equipment reliability, reduce downtime, and improve overall operational efficiency. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.